أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Today we are going to talk about the wonderful wazifa of love. Doing this wazifa will create immense love for you in your beloved's heart. This is the very easy wazifa for love. Start by reading this wazifa Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. After that, read the Durud Pak 3 times. After that, 600 times recite Ya Fattahu, Ya Fattahu, Ya Fattahu. After that, read the Durud Pak 3 times. And below, on the image of the beloved, you have to do this for 3 days. At any times you can. If your beloved is in front of you, you can below it, or you can feed your beloved even by sucking on water. Inshallah will give your love to your beloved's heart. Allah Almighty protects all Muslims. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.